Hey everyone, it's me, Jess, and I have Eli with me. Say hi, Eli. All right. We are out in the garden working today. It is 90 degrees in the East Kentucky weather, of course. We are getting prepped and prepared for tomorrow's market. We're also getting weeds out of the garden as much as we can because we've had so much rain. It's been hard to get out here. But now that it's drying up, we're able to get out here and get stuff done and prepare because Saturday evening from 3 to 5, Big E&J is opening our garden up for farm tour. Anybody in the community is more than welcome to come out, check out our farm, look at what we're raising, what's coming up, and what we plan on doing with the farm later on. We hope to have a few local of our vegetables there at the farm for sale. We're not for sure on that. Right there's some of our cantaloupes coming on. We've been using saucers under them to try to see if it keeps them from rotting because we're trying new things. Here's our tomato vines. As you can see, they are starting to really climb over the cages. Last time y'all seen a video, I think they was just babies. But we got lots of tomatoes going to be at the market tomorrow. We'll have market from 5 to 7 p.m. up there with the Levitt concert. This week they're doing a community revival. During the community revival, you can go on Saturday from 3 to 5 and visit all kinds of different farms that are local that set up at the farmers market, different farmers. That's why we are opening our farm up for farm visits. Anybody is more than welcome to come and check out Big E&J's farm. Now, as you can see, I'm showing you some of our tomatoes coming on. Corn's looking really good. And then right here is our bell peppers. We'll have plenty of these tomorrow. There's a lot of big ones going to be there for stuffing if you're looking to find peppers to stuff. So it'll be a great event. You can get to go out, support all the farmers. A lot of these farmers, including myself, as you know, lost a lot of our crop last year in the flood. So we're all trying to rebuild our farms up, and we want to show the community that you don't have to give up. So, keep going, and we build stronger than ever. So we're doing really good. We're blessed. God has blessed us this year with a beautiful crop. Over here, you'll see we have our watermelons coming on. Our neighbor gave us these little crate things the other day. Asked me, did I want them? I was like, sure. Well, I put my watermelons in it, and they are doing really good in them. Another way of trying to not keep them touching the ground. More corn coming on, looking really good. And then we got our cornfield greasy beans coming on. Okay. Then over here, we have our banana peppers. And if you come, you're going to get a kick because in the middle of the banana peppers is a butternut squash plant. Somehow it come up right afterwards, and there's butternut squash coming up right in the banana peppers. So we have some butternut squash coming on, which I'm blessed. They're pretty. Okra's coming on really good, so hopefully soon we'll have the okra at the market. Not much longer, y'all. So hot and sweet banana peppers will be at market tomorrow. Here is our white half runner beans. They're coming on. Not much longer on more of them. So tomorrow we're looking to have cucumbers, hot bananas, sweet banana peppers, Marconi peppers, zucchini, summer squash, red potatoes, tomatoes, and bell peppers. We also have my canned jams and butters, which is apple butter, peach butter, strawberry jam, and blueberry jam. We hope to see everyone at the market tomorrow. We also hope to see a lot of you come out Saturday from 3 to 5 and see us. Like I said, if you need directions, please don't hesitate. Message me, call me, whatever you need to do. We're more than welcome to help you. It's going to be a great event. Y'all come and hang with us and the boys. And thank you all so much for all your support for us and our little farm. Have a blessed day.